Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Geraldine. If it's your first time tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. Yeah, we made it into 2020. We're so grateful and happy. I am happy to have you here. If you are live and watching me or hearing me, I'm sure you know you are very lucky. Yeah, not everyone who got into 2019 came to the other side 2020, and for that reason it's a very rare privilege to be here. Yeah, so I'll quickly encourage you, if you started something in the past year and was not able to complete it, or you ended up in a place where you didn't plan to in one way or the other, I want to encourage you to start over again, to start afresh, to put in your best this year. Yeah, and hopefully we'll come to where we aim at. Yeah, so as we wake up every morning with fresh grace, with fresh strength, yeah, in the same way we are starting this year with very positive energy. That way, by the time the year is coming to an end, we must have gotten, if not to where we want to go, but at least we'll make a very huge progress. Yeah, so guys, to start the year on Kitchen Treats with Geraldine, we'll be doing a kind of a mini vlog. Yeah, I decided that for the year we'll be using our Saturdays to our Saturday uploads will be more like a mini vlog, yeah, where I show you things happening in my life. This is actually my space, but not a family vlog. So I'll be showing you things that happen in my life as someone who lives outside her culture and all those things. So all our maybe 4C hair management tips and all that, we'll put it in our Saturday videos, okay? Yeah, that way it forms a vlog and we can discuss and all that. Then on our Wednesdays will be reserved for recipes and straightforward videos. I hope you like that. I'm sure you're gonna like it. Yeah, so today we're going to be starting with my exercise routine. Yeah, I decided this year to pick up from where I stopped before I had my son. Yeah, so we'll pick up from there. I will show you. I already did that. You can see I'm very active and agile. Yeah. I had done that already, so I'll quickly show you, and then I'll be showing you what my lunch was like, kind of a lunch idea. Yeah, I'll be showing you a salad recipe, yeah, as we roll along. Okay, yeah, let's get into it. First I'll show you what breakfast was like. Yeah, so quickly guys, this is what breakfast is going to be like this morning. Yeah, I'm going to just drink this, which is basically boiled lemon and some ginger. Yeah, so I'll drink that first and then quickly show you what my exercise routine is like. Yeah, after then I can now have my brown bread toast with bread, like brown bread toast, yeah, with egg. Yeah, so I'll drink a little bit of this and show you my morning exercise routine. Yeah, before I will now do the main meal. So I usually start with a light warm-up, kind of have fun with it. It could be a dance or something. Yeah, then gradually I'll be working my way up, and then the last thing I do is jump, like skip on this rope. Yeah, so let's get into it. So here I'm just working my waist, kind of stretching my back, my spine. Then this side stretches are very nice for your waistline. Yeah. It kind of stretches the arm as well. Yeah. So jog in place, jog in place. Here comes the squats. Yeah, even last year, as I wasn't going through this whole routine, I made sure to at least squat once a week, but this time around I'm going to be squatting every day, hopefully. Yeah, so I get not less than 10 squats and just stretch a little bit more. Now I'm working my arms, yeah, with all this lifting a toddler, dropping, lifting several times a day, and other activities as well. Those arms needs to be fit. Oh my god, yeah. So this particular move now also targets my abs and my waistline, kind of, yeah, at the same time raising my heartbeat. So I could call it a mix of cardio, stretches, and stuff. Yeah. I actually borrowed my son's mat, for this procedure. I I had hoped he wouldn't come take it from me, but you'll see what he did. Yeah. So let's get some halfway press up. Yeah, I'm doing this because honestly I cannot do the full one. Yeah, even this one I'm struggling. Those arms are as weak as anything. So once I'm able to get about 5 press ups, I go ahead and do sit ups, at least 5. Yeah, you would notice that I don't have sneakers on. I didn't think that was necessary since I do this at home. Yes, but you do what you love or what you prefer. By the way, the young man came for his mat and I went back to bare floor. Yeah, so basically I did a lot more squats. Yeah, here I'm just working my glutes. It kind of tones the thigh muscles and the bums as well. Hey, hey. So at this point, I'm all warmed up and sweating and agile. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and do the skipping. After which I will do some plank. Yeah, my plank is very funny. Wait for it. So here is it. I think I stayed for up to 30 seconds or so at once. Yeah, but this is the first time this year, and I learned it improves with time. Maybe if I keep at it for a month or so, I could begin to last up to a minute. Yeah, but basically this is what it's about, and it targets your core, kind of strengthens your core muscles. Very important. Last, I kind of mimicked mountain climbing, yeah, and then some silly dance. That's pretty it. So guys, that's pretty it for my morning exercise routine. Yeah, for last year I wasn't able to keep up with this at all. In fact, ever since I had my son, I have really gone down in exercising and all that. And whenever that happens, for example, I've noticed that to squat, and like when I play with him and run around, he's a toddler and he's not very active. So at this time I need to like keep up. Yeah, so whenever I start to get like pains here after maybe squatting or playing, or after the day's activities with him, I know that I have really gone down in my activity levels. Yeah, so this year I thought to up it once again, like to start. It's nothing big. I'm not like doing it to lose weight or anything. Yeah, but like I said, it helps me to keep fit and keep up with the activity, my daily activities. Yeah, so if it's something you want to try, yeah, then keep up with me. I'm going to be updating us from now. Yeah, so that's it. Normally, like I showed you, I take my lemon water. Yeah, not every day though. Some days I decide to go with a green smoothie or something like that. Yeah, some days I go for hot chocolate. So I'm not particularly on any diet. Yeah, but I just need to make some lifestyle changes, like I've been making that gradually though. Yeah, but this year I need to be to do more. Yeah, keep up my activity levels. Yeah, and of course this I just did now. I'm not going to be doing it every day. There will be days when I'll have a lot to do on my list, so I just wake up and rush out for the day. Yeah, but on such days too, I'm active and walking about and doing other things, so it counts to my exercise routine. I don't have that opportunity to walk into a gym yet. Yeah, but if I'm able to do this like 2 times a week, 3 times a week, no matter how many times I do it, just to keep up with it and keep active, that's my goal. So if you want to join me, do join me. It's good to keep fit, to keep active. Yeah, so it doesn't really matter if you're on a weight journey or you just want to keep fit. Yeah, so this is the reason I'm doing mine. You define yours and work at it. Okay, yeah, so let's move on to the next stage of the morning. For lunch, I'll be making this salad. I'll just share with you right now. Yeah, it's very simple to make, just with corn, some hazelnuts, but you can actually use cashew nuts. It will fit just fine. Yeah, and some avocado, some lemon, like half of the lemon I used in the morning, and then some. I'm just trying out mayonnaise now, but normally I make it with plain yogurt. You can make it with Greek yogurt. I'll just taste it now and see if it's okay with mayonnaise as well. Yeah, so I'll just open and drain off the corn. By the way, I'm using the salt-free corn. Yeah, salt-free. So next I just transfer the corn into my salad bowl, and then I will crush the hazelnuts into smaller pieces like this. So next I'll just add the nuts to my corn and give it a good mix. Set it aside, and it will be time to prepare the dressing. Yeah, so like I said, I'm trying the mayonnaise dressing for the first time with this recipe. Normally I use Greek yogurt or plain yogurt. So here I'll just add some black pepper to the mayonnaise. Yeah, and beat it until it's very fluffy. Then into this bowl, I'm going to be squeezing in some lemon juice. That's for our avocado. The essence is to keep the avocado from decolorizing. It keeps it fresh. So I'm going to slice up this like you can see me do here, and then squeeze some lemon juice on it for the same reason I told you earlier. Then I'm going to bring out the avocado and then mix it into the lemon juice. Yeah, next I'll be adding it to the salad bowl. Pretty simple, it doesn't take time at all. So I'll just scoop in my dressing and give it a good mix. I would recommend you use a plain yogurt. It tastes better with a sour kind of dressing. Yeah, so plain yogurt or creme fraiche will be the best for this recipe. By the way, I have my rice ready, some leftover rice from yesterday's dinner. Yeah, so I have some rice and I had warmed it up. So I'm going to be scooping my salad on the side. Yeah, with this salad, the aim is to reduce the amount of rice in my plate, and it did the job. I have a plain yogurt on the side. My son enjoys that, and since he doesn't drink a lot of milk, it's one of the ways I get him to drink to eat dairy to get his calcium. Yeah, so here is lunch. It's ready and served. So guys, that's it for our today's video. I hope you had fun. Yeah, thank you so much for hanging on. Yeah, if it's your first time tuning in, please subscribe and stay connected. Here we have fun all the way. Yeah, while we learn at the same time. So yeah, thank you so much. 2020 is going to be a beautiful one for all of us. By the way, I always forget to mention this. I am Nigerian and I'm based in Norway. Yeah. So from here I say thank you so much and have a blessed day.